Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials. Charge the device to at least 50% and back up any important files. Once done, identify the hardware button's combination for your model. Some phones use power plus volume down, others power plus volume up. If you plan to use ADB, make sure USB debugging is enabled in developer options. Now connect the phone to your PC with a known good cable and prepare to reboot into the bootloader or fast boot as the next step. You'll now reboot into the bootloader. Hold the device's power and the correct volume key until you see the boot menu, then release. Use the volume keys to move to recovery mode and press power to select. Some devices show an Android with an exclamation. Press and hold power, then press volume up to reveal the recovery menu. In recovery, navigate with volume keys and select with power. If using ADB, run a DB reboot recovery from your computer to reach this same menu. You're at the finish line. Pick the action you need. Wipe cache, apply update from ADB, or perform a factory reset if necessary, and confirm with power. Once done, select Reboot System Now. The phone will restart into normal Android. If the device does not respond or stays in recovery, make sure the battery is above 50% and try a different USB cable or PC port, because faulty cables or low charge frequently cause failures. If still stuck, retry the bootloader key combo slowly and patiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.